Hello everyone, it's Kane Weather here. Today I'm going to give you another update in the tropics because the tropics are just weather's biggest topic right now because we're just having so much activity. But today's video, I'm going to be specifically giving you in the tropics an update on Tropical Storm Gonzalo because that is just a specific update on this one because this is inching closer to South America and really much the Caribbeans. Caribbeans are going to get really hit. So I'm going to give you a specific update on this, and if you want the specific update on Hurricane Douglas, which is another major thing, go ahead and check out in the corner of your screen right now, and click on that, and you'll see the specific details on Hurricane Douglas. And this could definitely turn into a hurricane, definitely. It's planned to turn into a hurricane by tomorrow. So I'll give you the exact updates on that and what time it should turn into a hurricane coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. I'll also be showing you the future track radar and everything else coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But what you're looking at right now is the live infrared satellite on Tropical Storm Gonzalo and possibly Hurricane Gonzalo right now in the Atlantic Ocean, and it is right here. I'm circling it right here, as you can see. And you see this black right here, definitely see that just a slight rotation there. It's definitely rotating counterclockwise there, but it's a smaller rotation than a hurricane, but definitely could ramp up back up. So yes, definitely something in the tropics right now. That is the live infrared satellite. So now let's go and take a look here at its track, future radar, total accumulated rainfall, and more. So this is both of the storms, not only Tropical Storm Gonzalo, but also Disturbance 1, which has an 80% now it's a 90% chance of cyclone formation, now updated by the National Hurricane Center, of Disturbance 1. So yes, that is definitely a thing, but we're going to specifically be focusing on Tropical Storm Gonzalo, which right now its maximum sustained winds was 50 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure was 1,000 millibars. You can see the latitude and longitude numbers right there. And the movement was west at 12 knots or 14 miles per hour. So that is the current information on it. Now, before I get into any further, I would ask that you do subscribe and leave a like if you like weather-related videos. But let's get into more further details. So just real quick before I get into more details on that, this is the track for Disturbance 1 right there. But let's get into the track on Tropical Storm Gonzalo now in the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the track right here, as you can see right here. It is going to be, as you can see right here, this is the track. This is where it is right now. And it's going to be moving this way in the Atlantic, hitting the Caribbeans. So the Caribbean islands, you guys need to be weather aware for any tropical activity, possibly a hurricane getting closer. But it says right here, kind of blurry there, but you can kind of see there that S, that means tropical storm. So you guys are in a clear for probably a hurricane. Should weaken below that hurricane limits before it reaches you, but do have that probability for hurricane coming tomorrow around 2 p.m. Thursday. It is most likely to turn into a hurricane tomorrow. So there's your timing. 2 p.m. Thursday should turn into a hurricane tomorrow. So that is all of the track there, as you can see, and it will weaken as it gets closer to here. So as you can see, not going to reach the U.S. at all, but definitely it's going to go out to the parts of the very coasts of northern South America. Now let's go take a look here at the wind probabilities. So you can definitely see the wind probabilities are pretty strong here for the islands here by about Saturday at 8 a.m. to Saturday at 8 p.m. Saturday is going to be the time for when this is going to hit these Caribbean islands here. So Saturday, if you want to know when it will hit the Caribbeans. And as you can see here, we have a lot of red. Right now, it's almost as strong. As you can see right here, we kind of have yellow and green where it is right now. So it's kind of not so strong. But as we get into tomorrow, we see it turns into these red, which means really strong winds by tomorrow. And then it will weaken as it gets further out and it will dissipate. So those are those details on it right there. So that is the track. Now, let's go and take a look here at the future models and total accumulated rainfall. So this is the future models of this hurricane here. So let's start off over here. So as you can see, this is very far out. So let's back this up just a little bit here. As you can see, it's right there. This is about Thursday, so this is tomorrow at about 6 a.m. here. So it'll be right here, inching closer and closer to the Caribbean and South America coast. Right there, as you can see, pretty strong. So I didn't notice how it intensifies. So I'm gonna back this up just a little bit to about midnight tonight. As you see, you only see a little bit of yellow there, maybe some red, but only some yellow. And take this a little bit further here. You see a lot more red. This is why it's probably gonna be turned into a hurricane, because you see it gets really more stronger. And then it goes out of this area. So let's go and take a check here. And see it moves into this area. And see these islands here? They're going to be a direct hit for this. Right here, these Caribbean islands here, they can be a direct hit. But the good thing is it will weaken below hurricane limits and be a tropical storm when it hits the Caribbean. You see, it goes right past the Caribbeans, but it will weaken at this point. So that's a really good thing. Take us further, it could hit some of the Bahamas coast, but it really, really weakens when it hits there. It hits some of these Bahamas coast here, as you can see, some of the rainfall on there. But it really, at that point, once it hits the Bahamas coast, it will really not be around for that long. Look how weak it has been, and it dissipates after that. That's about Tuesday. Tuesday, it's the day it's supposed to dissipate. But yes, that is your latest future models. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the total accumulated rainfall to end off the video here. So what you're looking at right now is the total accumulated. So let's go ahead and put this all out here. So again, this is the total rainfall that it's going to be giving here. So as you can see here, we are seeing up to 146 millimeters of rainfall here possible to hit the Bahamas here. Of the point sounding here is reading 140 millimeters here that we're looking at. We're also seeing Bahamas. You guys are gonna get a lot less rainfall. As you see, it definitely, like you just saw, it will hit this right here, but then it will weaken as it goes further west just a little bit, and then the rainfall amounts just weaken a ton as it, yes, and the rainfall amounts really just a lot right here. But the reason is that they're all strong right here is because that's the only place where it hits the Bahamas. Then it just weakens. But yes, these are the rainfall amounts here. As you can see, we get to see up to 327 millimeters at the max. But yes, that is the total accumulated rainfall. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, again, the tropics is one of our main topics here. I want to make 2 videos today, just to give you an update on everything, specifically Tropical Storm Gonzalo. Again, if you want to see, just one more time, if you want to see the specific details like this on Hurricane Douglas, go ahead and check out click on that thing in the corner of your screen right now. That'll bring you to it. But don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Stay safe, stay weather aware. Share this with any friends so they know about this. Stay safe, stay weather aware, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!